Welcome back, Healthy Club fans. About 40% of us will be diagnosed with cancer at some point in our lifetime. Some of that comes down to genetics. But here's the shocking part. Up to 40% of cancers are preventable. And the foods you eat every day can either protect you or quietly feed cancer cells. In this video, I'll reveal the worst foods that feed cancer cells. And wait until you hear about number 3. You'll be shocked because you probably eat it every week without thinking twice. First, let's talk about how cancer cells actually grow. Cancer isn't just a genetic disease, it's also metabolic and immune-related. Mutated cells thrive on glucose, that's sugar, plus growth hormones like insulin, chronic inflammation, and a steady blood supply. Here's the kicker. Many everyday foods trigger these exact conditions, making it easier for cancer cells to grow and spread. Now, let's get into the first food on our list. Mold-contaminated nuts and grains. Ever heard of aflatoxins? They're among the most potent natural carcinogens, and they come from certain molds. You'll find them in peanuts, pistachios, almonds, corn, and grains, especially those from humid climates. Here's what you can do. Buy from trusted sources, store your nuts and grains properly, always inspect for any discoloration, and when possible, roast them. Don't forget, contamination can even show up in dairy from animals fed moldy grains. Next up, food number 2, high sugar and refined carbs. Cancer cells burn through glucose at an insane rate. It's called the Warburg effect. So when you eat a lot of sugar, you're basically giving cancer cells their favorite fuel. High sugar intake also boosts insulin and IGF-1, which signals cancer cells to grow even faster. Processed carbs and sugary drinks, they fuel inflammation, damage your DNA, and weaken your immune system. Simple swaps can make a huge difference. Switch out soda for water or tea and choose fiber-rich, low-glycemic foods instead. Alright, now for food number 3, and this is the one that might surprise you the most. Processed and overcooked meats. I'm talking about bacon, hot dogs, sausages, all those tasty favorites. These meats contain nitrites, which convert to cancer-causing nitrosamines in your stomach. And when you cook them at high heat, grilling, frying, barbecuing, you get chemicals called HCAs and PAHs, both proven to damage DNA. But get this, the real danger might be what these meats replace in your diet, protective, fiber-rich foods like vegetables and whole grains. You don't have to give up these meats completely, just eat them in moderation and pair them with antioxidant-rich plant foods. Now let's talk about food number 4, alcohol. It's actually been classified as a Group 1 carcinogen since 1987. Alcohol is linked to cancers of the mouth, throat, liver, colorectal region, and breast. When you drink, your body breaks alcohol down into acetaldehyde, which is a compound that directly damages your DNA. Not only that, alcohol depletes essential vitamins in your body and increases your absorption of other carcinogens. Let's do a quick recap. The worst offenders: mold-contaminated nuts and grains, high sugar and refined carbs, processed and overcooked meats, that's the shocker, and alcohol. But remember, it's about smarter choices in moderation, not total avoidance. So, which of these foods surprised you the most? Leave a comment below. And if you found this helpful, like this video, share it to help others protect their health, and subscribe for more science-based health tips.